Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make flax seed conditioner. All you need is just flax and water. So you have water to the bowl and add your flax seed and let it boil. And you can see all the white thing on top. When you see it, just let it boil. Very good. I add a little bit of water. I don't want it to be very thick because when it cools down it gets more thicker. So I just want it a little bit watering and okay. So I drain it. And flax seed is very good for hair. You make your hair very soft, strong and long, and it's easy to apply. Now I'll put it in the container, and this is the time to apply it to our hair. So let's go. She have a very good and very nice hair, shiny. So this will make her hair more shining and strong and grow more. So I part the hair into 4 parts, and I start with the front. So I apply the flax gel little, and you just want to massage it in very well. Just massage it in, and just your finger make the magic in her hair. And you can still apply it to your face. It's very good for face too. It will make your face looking so young and smooth. So flaxseed is very good. You have all the nutrition you need. So you see how I massage it very carefully, the scalp and the length. So you add it to the length, just fold it together. You just rub it gently and nice. After I apply this, I don't need I don't need conditioner. I don't need anything. So I just apply it and I cover it for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So, and I wash it. This is how you cover it. Time to wash, and just raise it. I don't use any shampoo to raise it. I just raise it just like that, and you raise it thoroughly. So you don't need shampoo because this is conditioner. I will make the hair very soft, very light and strong, and you will not lose so much hair. It will protect the hair. So this is the finish, and it makes the hair very coily, like very coily and smooth. And I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Bye.